Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So, what do you say about Friday? Big sell-off, and then buyers stepped in again. This is not a market you want to be shorting. I mean, that's just the bottom line. It's a little bit more volatile than the S&P, and we are now heading into earnings season, which kicks off on Tuesday, and specifically with the banks. And remember, the banks pretty much are the strongest. Well, not the strongest companies, but they make up a large portion of the S&P. Of the Dow. So so Tuesday, those results start coming in. So I would expect us to be volatile, continue being volatile. But this break here of 34,740 or 34,734 is the key area that I think we need to be paying attention to at the moment. The reason I say that is not a real divergence here, but this is a double bottom. So there's the first leg, there's the second leg. That's the neckline. Actually, it's a little bit lower than where I've got it. That's the neckline there. So 34,730 or 34,700 area is the area to be paying attention to, where you would expect buyers to come back into it. So Friday's move was a fairly strong move to the upside if we look at the hour. So pretty much from the third hour, we were one-way traffic all the way up. It was just the open basically that we fell off a bit, but then continued to the upside on our merry way. So I would expect pullbacks onto structure. This is the structure I can see. 34,730, a decent area to be buying into. Your stops would either be below this tail here, okay, or alternatively at the low of Friday. Okay, that is quite far away, so if you are going to do that, then you want to have a pretty small position in play. Otherwise, what you're doing is you're looking for the 15-minute and look for the structure on the 15-minute. So you can see at the moment, this is not really a sell-off. This is just drifting lower. This is just algorithms trading. So there are two gaps here. You see them there? So I'd definitely be looking to buy into here with a stop below this tail. So that gives me, it's 157 point stop loss, which is fairly large, but I think it's well worth it if you look at the structure that is forming. We've got to cross over the moving averages. So the other thing about this is, if this fails, you would expect it to come and find support here on the 155 as well. So maybe that's not a correct stop area. Maybe it should be a smaller position size and a bigger stop below Friday's low. I think that's probably a better setup. But this double bottom break, and you need to go back to the textbooks now because it's broken. You'd expect a retest and then for support to be found. That gives us a move all the way up to this level that we've been looking at for some time, which is 35,360. Okay, so that's my view at the moment. Definitely an opportunity to buy into this. Probably going to be sideways today until we start getting some results through, or sideways to down, but it needs to build structure. So that's the key thing here. We've been all over the moving averages now. We need to come and test them and then reject them and sort of continue moving to the upside. That's kind of my play at the moment. So well worth watching this at the moment. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.